Google's NotebookLM recently received a massive upgrade, and these new features could completely change the way you research, learn, and create. To those unfamiliar with NotebookLM, it is an innovative AI-powered research and writing assistant designed to streamline and enhance the process of analyzing and understanding content. Its goal is to transform the way you interact with your research materials, making the entire workflow more efficient, insightful, and productive. Now to the new features. The first new feature we will be covering is called Featured Notebooks. Featured notebooks are curated collections of public information. These notebooks are curated by Google and feature data from a selection of Google's partners. Currently, there are 8 topics to choose from covering various interests. You can interact with the curated collections and even download their audio and video overviews. You can also remove sources to help tailor your needs, but you cannot add any additional sources to a collection. These new featured notebooks can be a great resource for anyone looking to learn about various topics. This can especially be helpful to educators and content creators, as it can potentially save you a lot of time on researching. The next new feature is Inside Your Notebook. The Studio window has been redesigned and now includes 4 sections instead of 2. Previously, the section included the audio overview and notes sections. The audio overview section remains, but the notes section has been renamed to Reports. It still includes options to turn your material into a study guide, briefing document, FAQ, and timeline. Mind Maps has been added to the Studio window to make it more visible. It was previously only located in the chat window. It can still be found in that section of your notebook as well. Another update is with the audio overview section. For those new to NotebookLM, an audio overview is a podcast between AI voices based on the sources within the notebook. Now, when you listen to your audio overview, you will notice that it no longer starts out by saying, "Welcome to the deep dive." Instead, it jumps right into the overview, which is a welcome improvement. As of right now, this feature has only rolled out to the free plan, but by the time you watch this video, it may already be available to paid subscribers as well. Next, a completely new feature has been added to the Studio section, and it's called Video Overview. This feature gives you a video overview of your notebook. The illustrations and audio is curated by Google, so you don't have to worry about finding pictures, creating slides, etc. The Share Notebook option has also received an update. Now you can share your notebook publicly with anyone using NotebookLM by simply sending them a link. To do this, just click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner of your notebook. Under the Notebook Access option, select Anyone with a Link. Viewers won't be able to edit your source content, but they can interact by asking questions, exploring generated content such as video and audio overviews, and viewing the various options under the Reports section. For now, shared notebooks are only available on personal accounts. Sharing for education and workspace is restricted to accounts on the same domain. It's great that Google has added all these features to NotebookLM. However, as great as this update is, there are still some areas where NotebookLM could improve. For example, audio overviews take several minutes to generate, which can potentially slow down your workflow. Also, the AI-based 2-person podcast audio overview feature is great, but we wish there was an option to generate audio overviews in narration style using your own voice. We love the new featured notebooks section. However, a downside to it is that they currently aren't personalized. It would be great if Google would let us pick topics that are more aligned with our interests. Finally, the new video overlays cannot be edited. Currently, you cannot add or remove slides without generating an entire new video. Overall, we are excited about the new features Google has added to NotebookLM, and we believe they will help you take your productivity to the next level. So what do you think of these new features? Also, what areas do you believe NotebookLM can improve in? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you are new to NotebookLM, make sure you check out our beginner's guide to NotebookLM linked in the description and card above. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you the next time.